country with a rich Spanish speaking culture. While English isn't the primary language, its presence is growing, leading to a distinctive blend of influence. English in Uruguay is considered as a foreign language. The features of English language in Uruguay. Uruguayan English heavily favors American English, especially in formal settings. British English, on the other hand, finds its place in a more formal setting. In pronunciation, many Uruguayan English speakers retain a Spanish accent. The accent depends on the region. Some areas shows a strong Spanish influence. English language features in Uruguay in terms of grammar. Uruguayan English strives for standard English, but speakers might sometimes use Spanish sentence structure or word order. Lastly, in education, Uruguayan utilize an interactive video conference to provide English instruction to all public school students. Uruguayan authors like Idea Villarino, Felisberto Hernandez, and Mario Benedetti demonstrate the country's engagement with global literary trends. English in Uruguay is a dynamic, evolving language. The blend of American and British English, with the influence of Spanish, creates a vibrant and distinctive linguistic landscape.